ElevenLabs has just released Flash, the fastest and most capable AI voice model ever created. Generating human-like speech in under 75 milliseconds, this model has been purpose-built for conversational AI agents where we can receive real-time responses as quickly as possible. In this video, I will show you how to connect the new Flash model to Retell AI, a popular AI voice agent development platform, and I will also compare this to other models to see which performs the best. So jumping straight into it, this right here is Retell AI. This is the main dashboard for the platform where we're going to be building all of our agents and hosting all of our AI agents. And so once you've loaded onto this page, created an account, you'll sort of load on your agents page where you can see all of the different projects that you're working on. So the purpose of this video is to go through and showcase the power of the new models from ElevenLabs and the models that are out there for obviously generating speech. And in this case, it's going to be the brand new Flash model. And so what I'll do is go through onto a previous project. So this real estate agent is one that I built out in a previous video for building out a real estate agent system. And I'm just going to showcase the different models using this one prompt. So if you do want to learn more about this particular agent, you can do so by watching my previous real estate video where I built out this agent. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to walk you through the different models of voices so we can actually compare. Does it sound any better? Is it any quicker? And we're going to look through all of that now. So once you're on this page, which is the main sort of agent creation page, you'll see at the top here, these are sort of the main settings for controlling the voices, the sort of generating the actual content. So the AI models as well. So we've got AI models and voice models, two different things. And so if we click up here in the middle button, we'll see voice model. And this is where we can get access to not only ElevenLabs, but also obviously the other providers like PlayHT, Cartesia, other players that are out there. But for the moment, we're just going to be looking at ElevenLabs and looking at their particular models. And if we go all the way to the bottom, we'll see ElevenLabs Flash version 2.5. And also the second one there is also ElevenLabs Flash V2. The difference between the two is simply the multilingual aspect. If we just look here, it will say English only, fastest, and then medium quality. So that just means it's a very fast model, although the quality of the output is sort of medium compared to the quality of it. So in terms of generating speech as human-like as possible, this isn't going to be the model for that. But in terms of speed, pure response time, that is going to be the model to use. And if we go down to the bottom with Flash version 2.5, we'll see multilingual is sort of the aspect there with fastest and medium quality. So multilingual just means it's going to be better for handling different languages other than English. So if you do want to use a different language, definitely go ahead and use the multilingual models, but very basic, very straightforward as to what to do here. And you'll see ElevenLabs Multilingual V2 at the bottom here, which is sort of the best model for using in the multilingual purpose, where it's obviously a bit slower to generate. It'll give you much higher quality, which is something you will need. Obviously, these models are sort of trained on and generated with English language, so it sort of works the best for that, but something to play around with. But anyways, I'm going to jump straight into sort of just testing out the basic ElevenLabs model, which is the ElevenLabs Turbo V2, which is an English model. It's fast and high quality. So it's not the fastest, but it is fast and it's high quality compared to medium quality. So let's have a look here as to see if we can tell a difference.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'm doing great. What can you help me with?
Hey there, glad to hear you're doing great. So I can help you with info about our properties, like prices, features, or locations. And if you're interested, I can also help you book an appointment to check them out. What's on your mind?
Yeah, have you got any properties in the sort of $1 million range?
Oh, for sure. We've got a property in Midtown Manhattan, New York, priced at $1.3 million. It's got 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a modern kitchen with high-end appliances, central air.
Okay,
and
that's pretty cool. Have you got anything maybe in the Florida area?
I wish I could say yes, but we don't have anything in Florida right now. Our closest options are in places like Malibu, California, or Asheville, North Carolina.
No worries. Can you show me that California property?
Oh, absolutely. The Malibu, California property is a total dream. It's priced at $2.5 million and comes with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a gourmet kitchen. Plus, it's got private beach access and these insane panoramic ocean views. The amenities are next level too. There's a home theater, outdoor kitchen, hot tub, and it's in a gated community. It's basically luxury living at its finest. What do you think?
Okay, so there we go. That was the sort of basic ElevenLabs model, which is obviously using the English only, fast and high quality model. And that was pretty good. That sounded pretty great. It followed through with all my questions. It responded very well. The sort of emotions, nuances, and tones of the speech was very good in that quality. So now we're going to swap over to the Flash model, which should be even faster than that. Obviously that was already pretty fast and is more than capable of, working as the purpose as an inbound receptionist or whatever you'd like to use it for. But we're going to swap over to fastest and just see what difference that makes.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a property in California.
Oh, nice. We've got a stunning property in Malibu, California. It's priced at $2.5 million and comes with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, and private beach access. Plus, the views are just
cheaper.
I get it, Malibu's a bit on the pricey side. Unfortunately, That's the only property we have in California right now. But hey, if you're open to other states, I can tell you about some more affordable options.
Yeah, something cheaper would probably be better, maybe in the $1 million range.
Gotcha. All right. So in that price range, we've got a property in Midtown Manhattan, New York. It's 1.3 million, a bit over your range, but it's a sleek one-bedroom, one-bathroom spot with a modern kitchen, high-end appliances, and big
Okay,
windows with
that's pretty good. But what about the Florida area?
Oh, Florida, huh? That's a great spot, but unfortunately, we don't have any listings there right now. Bummer, I know. But if you're open to other areas, I can keep helping you find something that fits. Let me know what you're thinking.
So there you have it. Let me know in the comments below which one you think sounded the best or which one you think was quicker. I definitely do think that the Flash model was marginally quicker. You could definitely tell that the responses did come back just much more naturally in terms of the speed that it was coming through at that. And in terms of these voice models, they're pretty quick and they sound pretty great. And in terms of innovating on top of this, the prompt engineering aspect and building on top of your agent is probably going to be a much more important aspect in actually getting a more realistic agent and getting an agent that's quicker in responding. And if you did want to get an even quicker voice model, the current AI model that I'm using is GPT-4o. This is the one that I've been using for all of my client builds. This is one that works really well. It's really reliable and I've had no troubles with it. But if you did want to get even quicker than this, you can swap over to the GPT-4o mini model. Now this is a quicker model. It's not as intelligent, but it is quicker and you can get obviously a even better result in terms of latency. So let's test out how this sounds.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking for a property in California.
Oh, nice. California's got some amazing spots. We actually have a property in Malibu. It's pretty sweet. It's listed at 2.5 million and has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, and private beach access. Plus, you get those stunning panoramic
that's pretty
ocean.
good, but that's way over my budget.
Gotcha. Yeah, Malibu can be a bit pricey. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, I can help you find other options. Do you have a specific budget in mind or maybe a different area in California you're
probably
considering?
in Florida area.
Cool. So, we don't have any properties in Florida right now, but I can help you look for something in that area if you want. Just let me know your budget and any must. Awesome. Just hit me with your budget and any features you're looking for, like the number of bedrooms or any specific amenities. That way, I can help you find something that fits your needs.
It's about $1 million my budget.
All right, so you're looking for something under $1 million in Florida? I don't have specific listings for Florida at the moment, but I can definitely help you keep an eye out for properties that pop up in that price range.
So there you go. That is using the Flash model and the fastest OpenAI model, which is GPT-4o mini. And that was pretty quick. That felt really responsive in terms of the responses. Pretty much almost instant in those responses, almost no delay there. That was pretty perfect to have GPT-4o and Flash combined together, get to a really quick model at that range. But obviously, like I said, this is something that you will need to test for. Obviously, the GPT-4o mini model is not the smartest. So depending on the complexity of your voice assistant, and if you've got different pathways you need to go down and different sort of information to capture, it may not perform as reliably as the other models that are out there. And then the same goes for the Flash model in ElevenLabs. It isn't the most high quality model. So if you have really nuanced speeches and you have really complex words that need to be read out on a sort of consistent and reliable basis, the other models might be better. So this is something you will have to test for. But for the most part, for a basic agent, the 4o mini model combined with the Flash model is a really quick option. If you're looking to get one of these AI voice agents built for your business, definitely don't hesitate to schedule a call with me in the description.